Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Panorama roof. Our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. First aid kit. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 32,551 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.